Right. So I remember like you asking me about coffee, right? You're like, oh, I love drinking coffee and it's something I can't give up. Should I give it up or not? And like, do you remember what I said to you? I said, look, you need to enjoy this process, right? Like you obviously you save as much as you can, but if it's something that you really enjoy, like if you give that up, you're not going to enjoy this as much. So you make a small sacrifice, but you still, put a portion of it where you can actually enjoy it.
Absolutely. That's the thing. I mean, and again, it's all about the end goal. Like we want to set a, like kind of a roadmap. We don't want to be, we want to have a map. We want to have a GPS. We don't want to just be looking for the location without any help. So, having that roadmap to where you want to go, it's just going to help you get there. And like I said, if you have, and like you were saying too, like if you have $100 for every month that you can spare, then it's much more worth it to enjoy, the process than to save that money because mentally, you got to be at a good place. This type of stuff, it all works when everything, you got to have a positive mindset towards where you're going to go, and you need to be very committed with, making a change in your life. No matter how small it might seem in the beginning, you just got to keep it consistent. And trust me, man, it's like I'm literally speechless. Like I literally don't understand how at the time I could save like $50, and then now I'm looking at like my accounts, and it's like this is only going to keep getting growing, and it's going to exponentially grow. And yeah, the goals that I've set like now, I wouldn't even dream of having those types of goals a year ago with saving $50 a month. So it's all incremental, and yep, just following the process, man.